What's up, guys? I'm back with another video on the hatch. I changed up the exhaust again. Not in a bad way. It still sounds really good. But remember last video I told you guys I replaced the OEM resonator with a MagnaFlow straight through muffler. So this time I replaced the secondary cat with a vibrant resonator, and it sounds really freaking awesome. So Troy actually helped me out with this. You know, we pulled the exhaust off of the car. I'm gonna throw in some pictures somewhere in here. We took the exhaust off the car, we cut off the cat, he welded everything, we put it back on the car, sorted out a couple issues with fitment. Wasn't too much, wasn't too bad. And yeah, that was pretty much it. I mean, yeah. So now, I mean, the exhaust is basically done until the headers come on. Once the headers come on, that's another story. But as far as exhaust and the intake, and I'm just waiting for the tune now. I'm gonna throw in an exhaust clip that I recorded the other day, just in the driveway revving, and had the GoPro in the engine bay, right next to the air intake. So I'll throw that in there too. It's actually very pleasing. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on the back of the car, go for a little spin so you guys can hear the exhaust. I'll just wrap up the video there. It'll be a short, sweet video. this video is about a week or so later when I finally transferred everything from my phone onto my MacBook. I was just gonna put these pictures into the video, but I don't want to bore you guys with just a bunch of pictures and, you know, no voice behind it. So I'm gonna go through them real quick. Here is basically, we have the car up on jack stands. We took everything off. You can kind of see here the stock cat, and then from here back is, you know, all the custom work I had done already. So there's the MagnaFlow, and there's the O2 sensor, so on and so forth. When we cut the cat off, I mean, you can just tell by that how restrictive the cat is, and that's just a secondary cat. There's still a primary cat on the headers. I can't take that off because it's attached to the headers, obviously. I mean, yeah, I know where there's a will, there's a way. I'm not willing to go through the headache of taking my headers off to chop off the cat. I'd rather just wait for a header kit. There, I'm pointing at the light, and literally all you see is just a tiny little dot. So yeah, very restrictive. I hate cats. So that's all in the video. You guys are gonna see that. This is what it looked like from the underside of the car once we finished. So you can see that's the vibrant resonator, and right there it kind of just went onto the it went onto the stock piping. And now, weird, this is really weird, from the headers it's already 2.5, but then it goes down to 2.25 after the cat, I believe, or up here after the OEM resonator. Not now obviously, but and then after the resonator, or no, I think it would be before the resonator, it would go down to 2.25, and then after the resonator it would go down to 1.75. So this exhaust from factory is stupid restrictive. Here's another picture, another car. So, you know, this actually, it came out pretty decent. And huge shout out to Troy, because, you know, he took time out of his day on a Sunday, out of all days, to help me out with this. See how nice and shiny that. And there's kind of just looking at it through the tunnel. So yeah, that's it though. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this video onto the computer and get to editing a video that I took like 1.5 years ago, because I am stupid behind on videos right now. So hey guys, so here I am about 1.5 years later, editing this video, and I realized I forgot to record an outro. So that's what I'm doing now. Anyways guys, leave a comment, subscribe, like the video if you want. I'm not gonna force you, but the option's there. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think about how the car sounds. It sounds completely different now, especially if you watched my previous AMT tune videos. Completely different sound because of the headers and some modifications I did to the exhaust, which I'll cover that in a later video. But this was all part of the process how I got there. So just let me know how y'all like the sound, and I mean, if you have any questions, just let me know. See you guys in the next one. Peace.